Hello all and welcome. This is Asad Ahmed, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can get insured card information of any US citizen using just their mobile number and date of birth. So the first step is we already have a mobile number, okay, American mobile number, and the date of birth, right? So I'm going to visit this URL, or I can go from here, get insurance ID card. So now I'm going to enter phone number, and the date of birth. The format is month, day and year. So month, day and year. 1963. So we have all his insured vehicles information details. As you can see here, he got 2005 Honda Accord, he got Aston DBS, he got Tesla Model S, Lexus SC, Lexus SC430. So this is how you can get information regarding insured vehicles of any American.